clips. And what the clips are for, when you step on the brakes, you squeezing your brake pads up against the rotors. And if those brake pads stick right there, it's going to cause that rotor to heat up, warp, maybe cause a fire, wear the brakes down faster. That's why they make these clips. And personally, all vehicles should have these clips. And you see how right now I got that up against the rotor? If I go here, you got to put a clip like that, put one like that, then squeeze it and put the other end in. And see what happens? The clips is starting to push those brake pads apart, which is good, and that's what you want. So what you got to do is hold it into place.